All right, today we're doing an inspection and I want to share with you about lead water lines. I get asked a lot about how do you tell what they look like and what the dangers are. So here you go. Here's a lead water line here coming up, the main coming into the home, and you can see it coming up here to the pressure gauge right in here, and so a regulator. So what we do is to come in through here, you can see if one is the color of it, it's always kind of a galvanistic color, also a silverish color. Also, it's bendable because it is lead, so it makes it easy to bend. What the great thing is that, but people tell us that we worry about being lead poisoned. Well, we don't really get lead poison from our lead water lines, and if you'd like to learn more about it, listen to one of my podcast training about, I had an engineer on about the house, about lead water lines. I had lead experts on my different shows to learn more about it, but it's the coating that gets in through that, which keeps it from actually causing you any grief or any poisoning. So check them out. You can learn more about it. And but I will say that whenever you are you're gone for a week or two for vacation, when you get back, just run your water for about 10-15 minutes and that'll flush it all out and recoat it and you're good to go. Thank you for watching our videos, folks. Have a great day.